European Insurtech Week, and I've just come out of the main session there. Few good quotes. I'm going to go and quiz some of the people on this afterwards. Culture and mindset are the most important part of digital transformation. Lots and lots of talking about digital transformation, which is technology is easy, but we're all driving that transformation. What are the challenges there themselves? What I want to know is why has this not been done? Here with Stephanie, who's just been on stage. Good session, good event so far.
Yeah, I enjoyed it very much actually. Yeah, it's nice to have a chance to come away from the office and spend 45 minutes talking about the future.
And you could see the excitement of digital transformation written all over your face there, because it is cool. Like, some of the stuff that's happening is actually very, very cool stuff.
Yeah, it's not optional, is it? Let's be honest, it's something you've got to do, and I think by embracing what some of the fintechs can bring to the whole world of insurance, we can perhaps make it a bit more sexy and certainly much more relevant in the future.
What are you guys doing in digital transformation for insurance?
So we are underpinning digital transformation within carriers, MGAs and brokers. We're looking to provide a platform that makes it easy for the aforementioned organisations to build new products and to distribute them out across multiple channels, and to do all of that in-house rather than there being a reliance on us, the vendor, or their own IT teams.
But surely an insurer should just outsource everything, right?
Well, in the past, yes. The idea within Standard is that you can actually take the platform and use it independently and use it within the business teams that understand the insurance product themselves.
What I hate about calling contact centres is having to explain to every single person, as I get put through from department to department, what the issue is. Jeff's got a solution.
Well, Ali, the way Glia addresses that is we have a unified digital customer service platform, and what we do is we encourage customers or prospects to start in the communication channel that they want, whether it's chat, audio, or video, and then we have the ability to seamlessly move within the same interaction. So we get you to the right expert instantly for a more efficient and effective customer service experience. And we have key clients in both the US and the UK, as well as continental Europe.
How was your panel session? What were the biggest takeaway that you got from it?
Well, it was excellent. I think Richard did a brilliant job in terms of getting the panel together, asking very pointed questions. I think it was all very relevant, and the audience, from the reaction, I believe they loved it.
Right, now, all of the big insurers, literally around the world, whether it be Chubb over in the US or Allianz or whoever, everyone talks about digital transformation. Little incremental steps. What needs to happen for a big insurer to go, right, we're going all out, we're going to have a complete rebrand, and would they actually want to do that?
So I think it all starts with the mindset and culture of the organization. Unless and until, so the top-down mandate is, one of the things we spoke about is the difference between what the board and the CEO wants versus what the reality on the ground is. There's a huge divide. And the divide is basically the troops on the ground aren't rallying fast enough.
Yeah.
That cultural shift on embracing that single goal has to come about. The CEOs have to be far more crisper with their messaging in terms of this is the future. And I think then you'll see a big shift and a faster shift take place. Much better.
These guys have taken VR technology and found a business case for it, found actually a very kind of source of revenue. What is it, Toma?
Well, so we started out in 2014 selling our cameras to the real estate space, and then quickly realized that 3D capture is a lot more valuable than just showing open homes, that people can, visit a home and without actually going there, save a lot of time and get a good viewing of the house. We saw that it's got uses in construction documentation, architects extracting CAD files, facility managers inspecting facilities, thousands of miles away. And then most recently entered into the insurance space, where we're basically getting risk engineering, underwriting departments a cheaper inspection and getting them a lot more for it, as well as claim assessors, adjusters that are able to desk adjust really any claim, or at the very least triage large losses and get a very good claim documentation measurable so they can extract the takeoff and run an entire repair estimate from it. And it's really been servicing a lot of insurance carriers in the US. We scanned over 50,000 claims last year and just now entering to the EMEA market with our insurance offering. So excited about this event and meeting all the great carriers here.
I like all events, but I particularly like insurance events because there's not enough of them, and this one was very full. And I came across this guy here, and the guys at Matterhorn with something I wasn't expecting to see here, which is complete 3D visualization of locations, which you can then use for things like Wi-Fi hotspots, like figuring out the difference between fire extinguishers. There's a lot of actually, the use cases for that is huge. I would never have come across that anywhere but actually coming here. That's why I like events, because you come across stuff that you just cannot stumble across in Google. But thank you for having us as a media part of the guys at Fintech Global. We'll see you all very soon.